This video is going to discuss all the items that come in the Grammetry OptiSplint kit. All the items are here in this video, imaged here, and let's go through items one at a time. So the first item is the main part, which is the scan body. And this is the OptiSplint scan body, and it has a few different components to it. It has a vertical wing, the part that goes up, that rectangle area with the holes. It has the horizontal wing, the part that jets out to the left. It has a scan body component, which is the rounded part. That is what we use for registration. And then there's an underneath, just simply the connection area. So that is the scan body, and those are all placed on multi-unit abutments. They're luted together in the mouth and scanned with your iOS scanner. That's the primary function of this kit. The other components of the kit are the large frame that's used to lute the scan bodies together in the mouth. We also have a smaller frame, a large and a small, just in case how the configuration is of the horizontal wings and how they're connecting or contacting in the mouth. You also receive screws for each of the OptiSplints. There's a handle or a delivery device for the frames, and then there's also included for the restorative component are these prosthetic scan caps, and these, if you've worked with Row for a long time, you know these are similar to an iJig scan body, where they are placed inside of the multi-unit temp cylinder from the intaglio. These are what we use to register it to an analog, to a virtual analog. So those are for restorative, and then these are all for the surgical component of OptiSplint. And then lastly, another item that is sold outside of the kit are what are called ArchTracers. And in these surgeries, doctors use screws and tads and other little devices that are very small and kind of hard to identify and hard to scan and hard to register because they're so small. But these large, what are called ArchTracers, are generally screwed into the labial during a surgery, and they are very easy to scan with an iOS scanner. So those are, they're reusable as opposed to the OptiSplint. So these are sold separately. And that is the Grammetry OptiSplint kit.